How to use text-to-speech for video recording. Considering the latest version of DemoCreator 7? This time, we're launching 10 avatar characters and more resources that you can use to whip up different videos. They'll give your content a funky and personalized twist. Our latest update includes an incredible feature that lets you choose over 10 different tone types for your videos. You can just import your own subtitles and dub the video in one click. Get ready to create videos effortlessly. It also provides mouse effects such as highlights and clicks, so you can add them during the recording process, completing the rapid generation of videos, enhancing the visual effect of your work, and making it more refined. Tired of managing multiple cloud features? DemoCreator 7 makes it easy to export and share your content in just a few clicks. Experience a seamless sharing experience like never before. Want to make impressive video creations quickly? Then get your hands on DemoCreator 7.